Abhijit Kanande now joining me on the broadcast with more details. Abhijit, we just heard what both brothers had to say, and you know, Uddhav Thackeray was seen reiterating the same point again, which we'd heard him say before as well when the two brothers had first come together earlier this year, that batenge to katenge. So that seems to be the idea with which these two brothers have come together, that yes, the Marathi Manush comes first, their differences come later, and that's completely been sidelined now.
That's what he is pointing out, that Raj Thackeray also said that I want, we have forgotten our differences, we have forgotten our many problems for the Marathi Manus and Marathi soil. So I'll request you all to forget the other things which BJP is imposing on your mind, or BJP is campaigning on those issues like batenge to katenge and all. So Marathi Manus will come first, and then our differences comes later. We will first ensure that the Mumbai will be for Marathi Manus, and then we will fight our other battles. So Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackeray is also very clear that they are fighting this election on the issue of Marathi Manus, Marathi Mati, Marathi sentiment, and this is the only card they are going to play. On the other hand, we can say that the BJP is trying to push their agenda of batenge to katenge. We have with us Anand Dubey, who is from Shiv Sena UBT. आनंद जी, हमने साफ तौर पे सुना बटोगे तो कटोगे, ये किसके लिए है? आपने एक नया नारा लिया।
न बटेंगे न कटेंगे, बीजेपी के खिलाफ डटेंगे, और हम जितना ही उड़ेंगे उतना ही उनके पंख छटेंगे। ये मुंबई की जनता कहती है। मुंबई की जनता कहती है कि जो मुंबई में रहता है वो मराठी है, जो मुंबई में रहता है वो एक मुंबई के अस्मिता के लिए लड़ाई लड़ने वाला एक ऐसा महाराष्ट्रियन है जो किसी भी जगह पैदा हुआ हो, लेकिन अब उसकी मातृभूमि कर्मभूमि मुंबई है। तो ये जो बटेंगे कटेंगे, ये भाजपाई डर के लगा रहे हैं, उनको ये विश्वास हो गया है।
But again, another slogan which have been raised by the Uddhav Thackeray and Raj Thackeray is batenge to katenge. They are saying do not differ in Marathi Manus. Forget your differences. They are asking for Marathi.
Our leader is continuously saying that we are Maharashtrian. Don't divide in Marathi Manus votes. That's why they are saying they are saying कि if anybody is in Mumbai, they are surviving their life in Mumbai, they are Marathi. So don't divide the Marathi Manus votes. That's why they are saying बटेंगे तो कटेंगे बीजेपी का नारा है। उसका काउंटर करने के लिए हमारे नेता कह रहे हैं कि अगर बीजेपी कह रही है कि बटेंगे तो कटेंगे, तो न तो हम बटेंगे न तो हम कटेंगे, उनके अहंकार घटेंगे।
What you are saying on the issue of what BJP is saying, that if you will vote for the MNS or the BJP, then the mayor of Mumbai will become a Khan or the Muslim person.
It's हिंदी में कहते हैं, बहुत ही हास्यास्पद है। It is a laughing statement from BJP. The Mumbai new Mahapaur will be Marathi Manus and will be Hindu Manus. BJP and BJP's partners are knowing this is very well. That's why they are propagating.
Viewers, you can get the sense of the theme at this given point that has brought together the Thackeray brothers, which is, let's not divide Maharashtra, but bring everybody, every Marathi out there together to, in fact, bring out that very sentiment, the Marathi sentiment, and live for that very sentiment and fight for that very sentiment.